today, if there is a radiological emergency or someone is trying to interdict a radiological threat, an expert user is required to go out into the field with an expensive piece of equipment to try and find that signature. Sigma changes all that. Now you can have thousands of sensors reporting up into the cloud at the same time, where a person can observe all of that data through one web browser. There's many different types of sensors that are a part of Sigma. This is an example of a large gamma detector. It can be in place statically on roadsides, telephone poles, various locations. It can also be mounted in vehicles for rapid search operations. And these are examples of man-carried sensors that can be carried by any police officer or other first responder. Simply Bluetooth paired to an Android smartphone and can provide alerts in real time on the phone itself. 5G is a game changer for us because it allows us to put more sensors out in the field. It will reduce our transmission time, which reduces the search area for an operator on the ground. It'll also allow us to transmit more and better data with each alert. So we can now include video. Also, we're expanding into chemical and biological sensors, which will have larger payloads. Working with the 5G lab was important for our business because it allowed us to get ahead of 5G before it becomes available nationwide. So now we understand how we can interact with it and how we can best utilize that technology. The power of the system can really be shown with real-time alerts. So what I have here is a small radioactive check source, and you can see that as I bring it closer to the sensors, they'll actually generate alerts that will display on the phones themselves and will display on the map as well. The operator can then go into those alerts and actually pull lots of information out of them, to include the devices that generated those alerts, a brief description of the source that was identified, and you can actually view the spectra that created that alert. This allows people to confirm what the algorithms produce and provide any sort of recommendations as to how to proceed on the ground. Now, instead of extensive training on complicated equipment, almost anybody could carry this sensor and be provided with an alert. It'll give everyone the information they need to keep people safe.